I have in front of me this Aurora H4 LED headlight conversion kit. It comes in this outer carton here, and your foam insert, and your product manual. So this is the actual replacement bulb itself. This particular model here is the 24 watt. You can see there you have two sets of LED chips, that's your high and low beam. You have your H4 fitment here. This is your LED driver, stroke canvas resistor, and your H4 plug. So if you just take a quick look and compare it to an existing halogen bulb, it's a direct replacement. So this particular model is using the copper braid as a heatsink, so to dissipate the heat from the back of the LED. The reason we chose this particular model is it allows this bulb to be inserted into housings that just don't have the capacity for the external fan. So by using the braid you can actually fold this in and pop it in to the actual housing itself and put the cover back on. So just a couple of specs on this particular light here. As I said, it's the Aurora 24 watt version. It's rated for 50,000 hours, and it's actually between 5 and 5,700K, which is white. I prefer it over the 6,000K, which are more blue. Again, it's pure copper braided heatsink. It's also E-marked, which is most important as well. And we have our relevant number just on the back of the LED light itself, on the bottom of the bulb, E24. They're rated at 6,000 lumens. A nice clear cut-off point as well, which is vital when you put this back into an existing house and you want a perfect cut-off line. Input voltage on this model here is 1224 volts. And it's running the Philips ZES lumen LEDs, and they are a total of 12,000 lumens per set. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration of this actually in a headlight housing. So, we have it here, 2008 Ford Transit headlight unit. Very simple, especially with the Fords. I mean, it was easier to take the light out than it was to actually do it in place, so it's ideal for this demonstration. We'll just remove the back cover. Now you'll see just inside here our H4 bulb. First thing, we'll just remove our electrical connection. We'll just put that to one side. And then you'll notice the bulb itself is actually held in with a metal retaining clip. Just undo that. And just to remove the bulb. We just insert the LED bulb. Like so. Now, you can do this, which I think is probably the most awkward way, by leaving everything attached, including the cooling fins. So I'll just remove that, and what I'll do is I'll insert the back plate in first. It just makes it so much easier. And then we close down the metal retaining ring. So you can see how easy that was. Then we'll insert our bulb. Our bulb will only go one way. And you'll see these mounting tabs here. We have a thick and a thin, and we just line them up with existing holes here. And just give it one full rotation. That's it. It's done. The next thing I would say is we'll just spread out the cooling fins here. Don't have them bunched up. them right around, make sure they're nice and spread out. There we go again, that's the next section. We'll plug our electrical connection back in. Very, very simple, and the LED driver is so small it all fits in to the headlight unit itself. There we go. And the final thing is we'll just pop on our cover. And that is as simple as that. It's ready to go back into the vehicle itself, and the most important thing, you get that cover back on, which prevents dust and everything, which some of the other LEDs don't have that. So that's really it. It's just a quick overview of the Aurora 24 watt LED H4 bulb, available at ledautotech.ie.